Hi. By default, you will get a whiteboard. On the right-hand side, use tools for annotation on whiteboard. Use the hand tool to pan. Use pen or pencil to write any text or shapes or message on whiteboard. Use the shapes to identify an object on the whiteboard. Select color of your choice. To delete annotations, use Undo tool. And you can delete also by clicking on Delete option. If teacher turn on multi-user whiteboard, then above same tools will appear for student also. Click on Next slide to move to the next slide or page. Thank you for watching this video.